currently filling up the car with 91, and we're gonna be headed off to Mitsubishi Owners Day out in Redondo Beach.
You're good, you're good. Oh shit, it's gonna go over the curb.
Got it.
Dang, you're new? Go, you're good.
You like that sometimes.
Embarrassing. Go, you're good.
Go. Alright, so we made it out here to the Redondo Mitsubishi meet. It's already almost 1 in the afternoon. A bunch of cars already left, but there's still some DSMs here. We got a Spider right here. This one is just, I think, a GS or an RS. I'm not too sure about that one. Got a GSX right here. Then we got this green GSX. We got my GSX. And we got a Talon all-wheel drive. I think that's another GSX, and then another GSX over there. It's a pretty good turnout for the DSMs. And then there's another GSX over there. But yeah, about to head out. I got some clips, guys, and I'll roll those right now. we're back home. The Eclipse made it. Nothing happened, it didn't break down. The only issue is that my throttle body cable keeps sticking because I still have the cruise control cable. So I'm looking for a 2G non-cruise control cable. That way I don't have any problems with that dumb box where the cables get all stuck together and whatever. But yeah, first 80 miles that I put on the car, it's running pretty good. I was scared that something might have happened with the timing belt. It might like snap or something, I don't know. It was my first time doing a timing belt job on a 4G63, so I'm glad nothing happened and we made it back in one piece. I just turned on the fan right now because it is hot. We were driving this car and I had the heater on just so it wouldn't overheat, but deleting the AC condenser was pretty good because it lets all the cold air get in there in the engine bay so it doesn't overheat. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.